What's going on, guys? Dujo here, coming at you guys with a brand new video. In this video today, we got something a little bit different. We got an E36 single turbo that we're gonna be working on. Now don't worry guys, we still got lots of content coming for Erwin's builds. It's just, we got a sick little project here for Fahim's E36 that we're working on. So basically what we're doing is complete solid diff bushings, subframe bushing.
Not solid. They're not solid, they're not poly, they're not Delrin. It's a different compound. It's made by Condor Speed Shop. I forgot the material.
Take a look at them.
There's a couple advantages to these over normal poly bushings and solid bushings. They don't have the harsh NVH that solid bushings have, but they're self-lubricating, unlike poly bushings where you gotta grease them up because they squeak and stuff. But he's got the full kit. We're gonna be doing subframe bushings, diff bushings. These two are rear trailing arm bushings, control arm bushings, engine mounts, transmission mounts. And as well, these plates are rear trailing arm reinforcements. Like the E36 chassis have a problem where they're just, if you come here, they're just really weak around this spot. So that plate gets welded in here. As you can actually see, his frame's cracked. Even though this is an immaculate M3, there's no rust. If you guys look on this car, there's zero rust. But his still cracked. But this is a problem for a lot of these older cars. So a plate gets mounted here and just gets welded up.
And then the other one goes there. Yeah.
Alright, two. It's time to paint. I'm just getting it aligned up.
Look at the difference. So this is not painted, guys. And then here's just with the nice little coat. Makes it look a lot better.
Pass through the gun with the gun in the air.
There we go. Ali's all finished with the welds. As you guys can see, pretty nice job.
On the right side, so it's going to look like just paint.
You got it all painted? Let's see that. Jeez.
It's OEM, bro.
I know, it looks like it's supposed to be there. Here's the diff. We got the diff bushings in. Erwin just tightened the bolt that they supplied, Condor supplied a new bolt.
No, they didn't. You have to buy that. It's an updated one.
It's an updated one?
Yeah.
From BMW? You guys seen the trailing arms?
Here, please. Like this.
So Erwin just tightened the 4 bushings in.
Yep. The subframe bushing. Let's reconnect this axle.
The drive shaft?
Drive shafts. I told you! I am Usta.
So tell them what you're doing.
Right now, guys, Just got the mount off. Is there a left and right? These mounts, yeah, that goes on the bottom. Okay. No, it doesn't look to be. Two same. There's two same mounts. Same mounts.
You gotta put that in silver with that light.
I think I got it. Extra silver.
So guys, I'm gonna leave it loose, just so I can position this dowel pin, and then we'll tighten the top one later. So I can tighten with a 3.5-inch down pipe in the way. Should just pop right in. Might need a little more than that.
When do you know when it's in?
Because this is flush. It has a lip. The lip is flush. So the
It's about 1:30, 2 a.m. in the morning. We're all finished. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. A little bit different content of getting the E36 M3 in there, putting the full bushings all around. Huh? If you guys enjoyed the video, it's been Dujo. Remember to drop a like, comment, subscribe, share the video with a friend, your grandma, your mom, your sister's grandma. It's been Dujo. I'm out. Peace.